Alright, there's no cooling system and it's half-assed, but I do want to see if this thing will start, so. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god, it fired! It fucking fired! Progress. Sorry for the noise, but that's charging up the battery. The battery finally died on this thing, so I'm trying to get as much of a charge on it as I can today. Let's see, I got the PCV recirc finished. I had a longer hose. Just gonna chill out over the intake. And then it floats down here, away from the exhaust. And it floats right there. Right into the test pipe. Hopefully that works. Drop this back down. Hey guys, it's April 21st, day after 420, and yesterday I got the turd running. It started, but today we got to fix these vacuum lines, which I had to plug it there. That was about it. The oil feed leaks. Needs a lot of work, but we're getting close. Not leaking anything as of now. We've been kind of just patching things a little bit here and there. I need to start it again, let it warm up, build oil pressure, quiet the lifters down a little bit. We got a broken clamp holding this up so I can shift into fourth. That's got to stay out of the way of the shifter though. So yeah, this is gonna have to go to the wastegate, which is it needs plumbed still. The pipe fell down. Oh, it's exhaust that backs up through there. I'm dumb. Yeah, I basically just need to pull this thing around. I can tack weld that wastegate pipes, the two wastegate pipes together, and I can pull them out by hand and weld them out in the vise. But yeah, I'm stoked. I got this far. Oh, I want to give it a drive so bad. I'm itching so bad to drive it. To be honest, I don't even know if the hood will shut, so we should test that right now. Shit, I need to wire in the gauges, especially before I drive it. This tire's flat. I think this one is too. No, that was just low. Yeah, there's tons of parts in here I want to clear out. We're gonna have to take them tools with though. See, I gotta clean up. We'll try to start up here in a minute. Just gonna drive this thing around front. Second start, guys. Whoop whoop. I had to tear this down is because I had timing chain guides and aluminum shavings from the timing chain cover and the oil pan sump. 170,000 miles, 330. was my boss day for a minute. But yeah, it runs, it's dry, it's driven. The Lord has risen. I gotta clean this shit up, take it to storage, and then we're out of here. Alright guys, I got the Jetta driving today. Well, not driving. I got it moved. It was able to drive under its own power. Tomorrow we're gonna finish the wastegate. We're gonna wrap the wastegate. We're gonna do all the small bullshit that needed to be done, but I ran out of steam today. I'm gonna drop this box of shit off over in my storage unit. Alright guys, that's it for tonight, so peace.